Beginner English speaking sentences, greetings, and introductions.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
Good morning. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Anna.
I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I am. I just moved here.
Oh, cool. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from Thailand. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. The people are friendly.
That's great. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study English.
Oh, really? I'm a teacher.
Wow, that's cool. Do you teach English?
Yes, I do. Do you like learning English?
Yes, it's fun, but sometimes hard.
Don't worry, you'll get better. Where do you live?
I live near the park. And you?
I live in the city. It's very busy.
I like the city. Do you go out a lot?
Yes, I love going to cafes. Do you?
Yes, I like coffee shops. What's your favorite drink?
I like tea. What about you?
I love coffee. Do you have a favorite cafe?
Yes, there's a nice one near my house.
Sounds good. Do you go there often?
Yes, every weekend. Do you have hobbies?
I like playing soccer. And you?
I like reading books. What kind of soccer do you play?
Just for fun with friends. Do you like sports?
Not really, but I like walking.
Walking is nice. Do you walk in the park?
Yes, it's relaxing. Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a sister. What about you?
I have a brother. How old is your sister?
She's 15. Is your brother older or younger?
He's older. He's 25. Do you like school?
Yes, it's okay. My teachers are nice.
That's good. What's your favorite subject?
I like math. What's yours?
I like history. Do you have a favorite food?
Yes, I love pizza. Do you?
Pizza is great. What kind do you like?
I like cheese pizza. What's your favorite?
I like chicken pizza. Do you cook?
No, I'm not good at cooking. You?
I cook a little. Do you want to learn?
Maybe. Is it hard to cook?
No, it's easy. Let's cook together someday.
That sounds fun, thank you, Mia.
You're welcome, Sam. Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies. Do you?
Yes, I do. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. What's your favorite?
I like funny movies. They make me laugh.
That's nice. Do you watch movies at home?
Yes. Or at the cinema. Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes. It's fun. Do you go with friends?
Yes, or with my brother. Do you have friends here?
Yes, a few. They're from my school.
That's great. What do you do with them?
We play games or eat together. And you?
We go shopping or talk. Do you like shopping?
Not really, but I like buying clothes.
Me too. What's your favorite color for clothes?
I like blue. What about you?
I like red. Do you have a favorite shop?
Yes, there's a small shop near my house.
Nice. Do you walk to that shop?
Yes, it's very close. Do you walk a lot?
Yes, every day to work. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, but I want a cat. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max. Do you like dogs?
Yes, they're cute. How old is Max?
He's 3 years old. Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend. Do you?
Not often, because my family is in Brazil.
Oh, do you miss them?
Yes, a lot. Do you talk to your family every day?
Yes, I call my mom. Do you call your family?
Yes, I use video calls. Do you like technology?
It's okay. I like my phone. Do you?
Yes, I use it all the time. Do you play games on it?
Sometimes. Do you play phone games?
Yes, I like puzzle games. What's your favorite game?
I like word games. They help my English.
That's smart. Do you study English every day?
Yes, a little. Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my math teacher is nice. And you?
My English teacher was great. Do you like tests?
No, they're hard, do you?
Not really, but I like learning. What's your dream?
I want to be an engineer. And you?
I want to travel the world. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Europe. Do you travel a lot?
Not yet, but I want to. What's your favorite country?
I like Italy. What about you?
I like Japan is so beautiful. Have you been there, Sam?
No, but I want to go. Why do you like Japan?
I love the food and culture. Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I like sushi. What's your favorite Japanese food?
I love ramen. Do you eat it often?
Sometimes. It's delicious. Do you cook Japanese food?
No, but I want to learn. Do you?
Not yet, but it sounds fun. Do you travel a lot?
Not much, but I want to. Where do you want to travel?
I want to see America. Have you been there?
No, but it sounds exciting. Why do you like America?
I like the movies and music. Do you like music?
Yes, I love pop music. What kind do you like?
I like rock music. Who's your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift. Do you know her?
Yes, she's great. I like Coldplay.
I like Taylor Swift. Do you know her?
Not often, but I want to. Do you?
Yes, once last year. What do you do on weekends?
I play soccer or watch TV. And you?
I read or visit friends. Do you watch TV a lot?
Yes, I watch sports. What shows do you like?
I like comedies. They're funny. Do you like them?
Yes, comedies are great. What's your favorite show?
I like Friends. Do you know it?
Yes, it's so funny. Do you watch it every day?
Not every day, but often. Do you have Netflix?
Yes, I do. Do you use it a lot?
Yes, for movies and shows. What do you watch on Netflix?
I watch action movies. Do you like them?
Not really, but my brother does. Do you have siblings?
Yes, my sister. Do you talk to your brother a lot?
Yes, we're close. Is your sister nice?
Yes, she's fun. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone. Where do you live now?
I live with my friend. Do you like living alone?
Yes, it's quiet. Do you like your roommate?
Yes, he's cool. Do you have a big house?
No, it's small but nice. Is your house big?
It's medium. Do you have a garden?
No, but I want one. Do you like plants?
Yes, I have some flowers. Do you grow anything?
No, but I like flowers too. What kind do you have?
I have roses. What flowers do you like?
I like sunflowers. They're bright. Do you like nature?
Yes, I love parks. Do you go hiking?
Not often, but I like walks. Do you hike a lot?
Sometimes with friends. Do you like the beach?
Yes, it's relaxing. Do you go to the beach?
Yes, in summer. Do you swim?
Yes, I love swimming. Are you good at it?
Not really, but I try. Do you like sports?
A little. I like yoga. Do you do yoga?
No, but it looks nice. Is it hard?
No. It's fun and relaxing. Do you want to try?
Maybe. Do you do it every day?
Yes, in the morning. When do you exercise?
I play soccer on weekends. Do you like to run?
Not much, but I walk. Do you run fast?
Yes, I'm pretty fast. Do you have a bike?
Yes, but I don't use it much. Do you?
Yes, I ride to school. Is your bike new?
No, it's old but good. What color is your bike?
It's blue. What's yours?
It's red. Do you like to travel by bike?
Yes, it's fun. Do you like trains?
Yes, they're comfortable. Do you use them?
Yes, to visit my family. Do you travel far?
Not often. Where's your favorite place to go?
I like the mountains. Do you?
Yes, they're beautiful. Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone. Do you like photography?
Yes, I take pictures of flowers. What do you photograph?
I take pictures of my dog. Do you share photos online?
Yes, on Instagram. Do you use Instagram?
Yes, I post about soccer. Do you follow many people?
Yes, on Instagram. Do you use Instagram?
It's okay. Do you use it every day?
Yes, a little. What apps do you use?
I use WhatsApp and Instagram. And you?
Same, and TikTok. Do you make videos?
No, but I watch them. Do you make TikTok videos?
Sometimes for fun. What videos do you watch?
I watch soccer and funny videos. Do you like to dance?
Yes, a little. Do you dance?
Not really, but I try. Is dancing fun?
Yes, it's great. Do you like parties?
Yes, with friends. Do you go to parties?
Sometimes. What do you do at parties?
I talk and eat. Do you like party food?
Yes, I love snacks. What's your favorite snack?
I like chips. What about you?
I like popcorn. Do you eat healthy food?
Sometimes. Do you cook healthy meals?
Yes, I try. Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots. What's your favorite vegetable?
I like broccoli. Do you eat fruit?
Yes, I love apples. What fruit do you like?
I like mangoes. Let's meet again, Sam.
Yes, Mia. This was so fun. Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.